Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard on Twitter, and today I'm going to show you a real lemon. Not an automation tool, it's a website called Lemon out of here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and register a brand new user. I've got Dark Arts Wizard out there, and we're going to put in password as the password. We're going to click on login. And what tool are we going to use? Well, we're going to go use testRigor in order to do that. Let's see how far we've gotten. And when I edit the test case so far, I've only got one line. But here's the cool thing. It's going to click on the register button that's below the lemon icon. Below the lemon icon, where is it? Oh, there it is. It's below that lemon icon. Okay, that's fine. We can work on that. Let's add a little bit more to this test. So the next thing we're going to do is generate some text by regex. Remember, regex is really simple. It's just a collection of any letter from A to Z as an alphabetically capitalized letter, a lowercase letter A to Z, and or we're going to pick from a group of numbers from 0 to 9. And this means I want 10 of those random elements. And we're going to go and enter that into the username, and then we're going to save it off as a stored value called user. Then next we're going to enter password as the password. We're going to click on register, and by the way, it's the second register, so we don't confuse this register with this register down here. Okay, so we're going to click on the second register. I'm going to go do it twice because the lemon's a little bit of a lemon. You have to actually hit it twice, and it's a little slow, so we're going to wait about 10 seconds for the system to respond, and then we're going to click check that the page does not contain a message that says an unexpected error has occurred, but we also want to check that the page contains a stored value called user. Where do we get that from? Remember, we generated up here and we said enter into the username and then save as user. So this is actually not user we're looking for. We're looking for whatever regular expression generated text was created over here and put in there. So I'm going to go and update that and retest. This is telling me that the test is good. I didn't mess up anything when we put it in there. All right, now it's over at the website, and it is going in here and looking at the lemon, and it's going to go and find the register button that it sees up there. All right, so here it is. It says go and click on register below the lemon. There's our lemon. There's our register that's below the lemon. Excellent. And next it says generate some text. Let's see what it actually put in there. 10 characters, which are random letters from letters and numbers. Okay, that works for me. Excellent. It also put in the word password. It also clicked on the register button. And check this out, guys. Check it out. It actually put all three of those lines together in one shot, and clicked on the register button. It found it over there. It's like, okay, and then it said, okay, let's go register on that second button. Now it knows the difference between this register and this register because I said click on the second register. Isn't that cool? I like it. And then it says wait 10 seconds and then check that the page does not contain an error. Well, there's no error up there, but that it does contain the stored value user. And what was that? The stored value user was those random letters and numbers that we created. And yep, it found it. It's right there on that page. Cool. Now, one more thing we need to do is I want to go take a look at the execution of this. It's this link right here. And it just said basically, hey, I ran this under Ubuntu on Chrome, and this is what Chrome did. But I don't trust that it's going to work on every operating system. Do you? No, we need to go back and double check and make sure that it's going to run on multiple systems. So let's jump back over to our test cases. Let's go back to our registration over here. And what we're going to do is go into settings. Settings is our secret spot where we're going to use multiple browsers, and we're going to determine, well, we've already got Ubuntu going over there, and if we wanted to, we could execute it under Chrome, but we also want to add another one. We want to add Windows, and we're going to try Windows and say, hey, it needs to work on Edge on Windows. Oh, and by the way, I also want to run on a Mac too, so let's go set up on Safari on a Mac. We'll add that browser. We're going to save these guys off, and we're going to go back to our test cases over here, and we're going to jump back to our test case right here, our registration, and we're going to go and run this again. So let's go retest our test. Now, it's going to take a few more seconds, so I'm going to let you watch this, and then we're going to take a look at where our results are. Actually, we can see our results as we're going along. I'm going to just jump right over here, and you can see here is all of our systems. It's already gotten fairly well through the Ubuntu test, and now it's jumping over to Edge. Edge is just completed its run. It's just finishing up there, and in just a moment, it's going to jump over to OS X under Safari and continue that execution over there. This is pretty cool, huh? We're waiting for that just to complete, and you could have, let's say, 100 test cases and 100 virtual machines and get all your test cases done in like 5 minutes. That would be so super cool. All right, we are just waiting for the completion of this, and there we go, all the way down through our Mac, and we've got our lemons in there, and there we have it. All right, that's automating the lemon test site. Hey, everybody, I've been Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard, and I got a challenge for you. You think this lemon is a lemon? I want to know, do you have a website that's a challenge, something that you might think is unautomatable? If it's a public website, I'd like to take a challenge and try to get testRigor to automate it. So send your messages to me. I'm at Dark Arts Wizard on Twitter, and leave messages below. I've been Paul Grossman. I hope you have a great day. Bye.